Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and run Android apps on your Mac using BlueStacks. Now BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run Android apps on your Mac or your PC. Now the version we are going to download is called BlueStacks Air, which is for Apple Silicon Mac. If you're using an Intel Mac, then you have to download just the regular BlueStacks. Now once you search for BlueStacks and you click on the link to BlueStacks, it is going to take you to this page if you're using Apple Silicon Mac, and if you're using Intel Mac, it will take you to the appropriate page as well. Now we can click on download BlueStacks and it should start downloading. Now there are other options like Nox, Genymotion and so many other ones, but I have been using BlueStacks personally for the last 4 or 5 years, and I would highly recommend these above others. This is not a sponsored video. Now after downloading, we can close our browser and then open our download folder. And this is BlueStacks Air, which we just downloaded. It may be just BlueStacks on your end if you're using Intel Mac. Now double click on it to install and then continue, install, enter your password to confirm and close, move to trash. Now we can close this and run BlueStacks from our launchpad. So here is BlueStacks, click on it. And from here you can click on the home page and we can go to Play Store. Now you can sign in with your Google account, and here we go. From here you can download and run any of your favorite Android apps on Play Store using BlueStacks. Now go to the menu section here at the top right and go to settings. From here you can set how many cores you want BlueStacks to run with. The minimum is 1 and you can set as high as custom, set as high as 8. I have 12 cores on my Mac and I can give up to 8, though I wouldn't recommend to give more than 40%. So I'm just going to give it 4 cores. And for the memory, I have 16 gigs on my PC, so I can give 4 gig as well. Performance, you can go with high performance or balanced. I'm just going to set it to high performance and then save changes. This would make it restart. I don't want to do that for now, so let's just close. And then under display settings, you can set the resolution you want as well. You can set the pixel density. Graphics section, you can use Vulkan and OpenGL, which I would recommend as well. Preferences, you can set language, and you can set the predefined profile you want. If you want S22 Ultra or S21 as the base device, also a network provider, and that is all for it. Now once you're done making your changes, you can save and it would restart BlueStacks. And then you can download and play your Android games or use your Android apps directly from BlueStacks. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.